Hi guys, welcome back to the Our First Home series. Today is episode 4 and we're going to be doing a DIY headboard. The footage you're about to see looks a little different because we shot it in Nathaniel's parents' house in the middle of summer and I was super tan and there's goats screaming, there's flies everywhere, but that's because we shot it last summer and we're shooting this now in the dead of winter, so I don't really have my summer glow anymore, unfortunately. Before the building starts, make sure to subscribe below and turn on your notifications so you can get notified when we post episode 5. Whenever that is, whenever we decide to post. The table? Yeah. It's fun to DIY. This is why it's for fun to do it yourself. Even though you get really sweaty. Okay. This is a bunch of wood that I got for $10. Nice. So now that we have this wood, we're gonna line it up and cut each piece at a 45-degree angle. And then line it all up on the frame and then make a line and then cut that part. We have to start cutting wood, I guess. Okay.
What the heck?
Okay, so this is what the frame looks like so far. Woo! I did it! Beautiful. So what we're going to be starting with today is we're going to be using a nail gun to nail in the first pieces and then use these as a guide and then start putting in the rest of the piece of the wood. The flies are still here on day 2. I don't know why I get so sweaty. I'm not even doing anything. I did that part right, but I did this part wrong. So, good thing I have a bunch of cheap wood. This way. Nope. This way. This way. Hopefully that's enough. All right, so we have run out of wood. So we're gonna have to go to the Habitat for Humanity again and get some more wood, hopefully for $10 again, because that was awesome. And then you'll see me in another outfit for the same project. Let's get in this take. Hi, it's day 3 of building the headboard. Today we're actually gonna finish it, so that's really exciting. What we're gonna be doing today to finish it off is creating the border. So when we went back to get more wood, we decided to get a lighter color of wood so that it would create more contrast and hopefully make the headboard a little bit cooler to look at. Where are my clamps? Oh. Safety first. I just need you to hold this bottom part in place. You see? Yeah, just push it really hard against the thingy. I'm so happy. Yay! Wow. I feel like we could sell that for like 500 bucks. Do you know how much this costs? Do you? $30. That's how much all the wood costs. Wow. I feel like my life has changed right now. There you go, baby, you look good. Building this headboard was way harder than I thought it was gonna be. I had a few meltdowns because I was using an old saw and the angles had to be really precise. And sometimes instead of 45, it would be 48 degrees and it wouldn't match up with the entire piece as an ensemble. So it was a little bit frustrating, but I think in the end it was worth it because we saved a lot of money and I think it looks pretty. Oh my god. It has like a vintage 70s vibe to it, so I thought that was cool. Thanks for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for episode 5. It's gonna be the arts and crafts episode, which is the one I've been waiting for. So I think you guys will like it. Bye.